no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, it's Casey and welcome back to Vlogmas. So today's video is really special. We have a hair video. Of course, we could not do Vlogmas without a hair video. And this video is sponsored by Curlmix. A shout out to them. Now, if you guys haven't seen my previous Curlmix video, I will link it right here. We do a little wash and go and kind of had like a first impressions moment with the products. So before we begin, you guys already know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And turn on the notification bell so you're notified every single time I upload a new video. And let's go ahead and get started. So this is the packaging right here, and I'm going to be opening it up with you guys. So Curlmix is really cool because they have these wash and go kits. So it comes with 4 products, 4 steps, making your wash and go very, very easy. They even have the numbers on the bottle, which I really appreciate because if you are somebody that might be new, like for my mom, for instance, she's a newly natural and she loves the fact that they have the numbers on it because it really just explains everything to her. She's like, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, got it. I could do this. But they have a lot of different ones. So the last one that we tried is different from this one. So let's go ahead and talk about what's in this box. So it comes with this little card, and I just love this card so much because you just see all the versatility, all these beautiful women in their curls. I love it. We see women with the type 3 category. We see in the type 4. I even see someone whose hair texture looks exactly like mine, if mine was just a little bit healthier right now. And it's just so pretty. So I love this. And these are the products. Get into the color, okay? Get into the color. I love it. So the one that I will be trying out today is the argan oil one, which is meant to soften the hair. And it has a lemon cream fragrance, which is a really cool. Like, I feel like that's going to smell really good. So I just want to get into it and just smell it real quick. Hold on. Oh, that smells good. That smells really good. So this is all about softening the hair. So if you are somebody that is feeling like your hair is just not as soft as it needs to be, then I definitely suggest you guys check out this one. Like I said, they have a bunch of different ones that you can choose from. We also got a 10% off coupon code. So this gives you 10% off with the code PURE, and it has no minimums and no expirations. So go ahead and save that. Write that down somewhere for when you make your purchase. Holidays is right around the corner. Okay, Christmas right around the corner, and we want to make sure we look good in our little pajamas in the living room or wherever your Christmas tree is with your family, your friends, at the dinner. So we want to make sure we look good, and I'm going to tell you right now, this don't look good. I can't pull up like this. No. So we're going to come up with a really cute hairstyle using these 4 products. I'm going to take you guys through all the washing steps. So let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the first step is going to be the aloe vera shampoo. This is going to cleanse your scalp. You want to make sure you really get in there with your fingertips. And this was also a pretty creamy shampoo, so my hair still felt very hydrated after I was done rinsing it out. In order to have a very successful hairstyle this season, you want to make sure your scalp is nice and clean. So go ahead and get in there with your fingertips. Do not scratch, just gently massage. Now, it's more than just making your hair look good this holiday season, it's making it feel good. So you want to make sure you condition. Look at the creaminess and the texture of this conditioner. Work this conditioner into your hair strands, detangle. You can use your fingers if you prefer. I'm actually using a tool for this because I really want to get in there. Now, I did leave this conditioner in for about 10 minutes and I transitioned over to the shower because this next step is going to be moisturizing. So we're going to be using the Pure Avocado Moisturizer, and you want to do this in the shower because you want the steam of the shower to really allow this leave-in to penetrate your hair strands. I love this product. This is definitely my favorite product out of the entire collection. And finally, for styling, we're using the Pure Flaxseed Gel. This is going to be what you use to style your hair. Now, I want to say, just because this is a wash and go kit doesn't mean you just only do a wash and go. You can do a twist out with this, a braid out. You can use this for flexi rods or perm rods. It's a nice consistency where you don't have to worry about your hair feeling hard or crunchy. You can achieve pretty much any look that you want to do with this. I feel like you want to do a style that makes you feel your absolute best for all your holiday photos, and my particular style is a wash and go, and this was actually my first wash and go since I cut my hair at the beginning of Vlogmas. And I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I was living. Look at those curls, look how bouncy it is, look how defined it is. My hair looks absolutely amazing, and I am ready for my silk pajamas and my hot chocolate and all my Christmas photos. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you click the link in my description box to check out Curlmix Wash and Go Kits. You will not regret it, okay? Get your hair right for this holiday season. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.